Exploring the world of patterns, unleashing the houndstooth. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our series on describing things. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of patterns, specifically focusing on an iconic pattern that you've probably seen but might not know by name: the houndstooth. Houndstooth is a distinctive pattern that originated from the Scottish lowlands in the 1800s. It is a duotone pattern, which means it usually involves two contrasting colors. The pattern is characterized by broken or uneven checks that create an abstract four-pointed shape. It's called houndstooth because the points of the shapes look similar to a dog's tooth. When describing the houndstooth pattern, think of broken or abstract checkered designs. It has a repeating pattern where every alternate check is colored differently, creating a sense of contrast. The checks are not perfect squares but are more of a jagged or pointed shape. This pattern can be small and detailed, known as puppy tooth, or larger and more prominent, staying true to its name as houndstooth. Now let's use houndstooth in sentences to help you familiarize yourself with this pattern. 1. The vintage coat she wore had a classic black and white houndstooth pattern. 2. For the job interview, he chose a subtle puppy tooth tie to add a touch of style. 3. The designer's new collection featured houndstooth patterns in bold, unconventional colors. That's all for today, learners. We've delved into the world of patterns and specifically learned about houndstooth. With this new knowledge, you can now describe this popular pattern with confidence. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every step you take makes a big difference. See you in our next video.